Jai Gurudev, dear students. Welcome again in this science class. So children, last class I have explained you exercises of lesson number 2, components of food. So last exercise is left. Let's see what is there. At the last page on main exercises, match the column is there. First they have given match the columns, and after that we will read about the true or false. So first of all, match the followings. Here two columns are given, column number A and column number B. So in column number A, they have written a list of various food items. Okay, so here you can see pulses, milk, rice, butter, red vegetables, sunlight, table salt. Means we can say these are the sources of some food items or minerals, vitamins or components of food. And in column B, they have written components, different variety of components like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamin D. Here iodine they have written, but iodine they written twice and it is wrong. One iodine you can strike out and write in place of iodine starch. Okay, after that calcium, iodine, and last is fat. So children, here now let's match the all the items with their components. First one is pulses. So pulses, you know, pulses have so much of protein, they are rich in protein. So pulses we match with the protein, and here you put number 1. Second is milk. Milk, you know, calcium is a mineral which we get from milk, and milk is matching with calcium. So here you write number 2. Third is rice, and rice is here word written starch. So starch, in front of starch you write 3. After that fourth is butter. Butter, you know, it is a good source of fats, so it is matching with fat. In front of fat you write 4. Next one is fifth one is red vegetables. So children, red vegetables have carbohydrates, so match with the carbohydrates and write here number 5. After that sunlight, you know children, all other vitamins are synthesized in our body, but vitamin D is a special kind of vitamin which cannot be synthesized or formed in our body without the help of sunlight. So sunlight is required for the formation of this vitamin D. Okay, so sunlight is matching with vitamin D. Here you write number 6. Next and last one, 7th one is table salt. You know children that table salt has iodine in it, and that iodized salt we can get from our table salt. So it is matching with iodine, and in front of iodine you write number 7. So children, this is all about the match the followings. After this, next is write true for T for true and F for false. So these true or false. Let's read first one. Dairy products are good source of minerals. You know children that dairy products, all the products which are prepared from the milk, that all are having a good source of means all are having so many minerals. So that's why we can say that dairy products are good source of minerals. So it is true. Second is deficiency of proteins leads to obesity. No, it is totally wrong. So here you write false. Obesity means fatty. Okay, to become fatty. And deficiency of protein doesn't lead to obesity. Obesity is caused because of the deposition of fats in our body. So it is false. We should take more iron to have strong muscles. Children, this is also false because iron is not so much required for the formation of muscles. For the formation of muscles or to make muscles strong, we need proteins. Okay, and that's why it is false. All vitamins can be made in our body. No, it is false. Just now we have seen that vitamin D requires sunlight for their formation. Okay, so it is false. Fifth is we can make up for deficiency of water in our body by eating more chapatis. No, children, deficiency of water we can't regain, or we can't take water from chapatis. Means deficiency of water cannot be make up by eating chapatis. Okay, so this is false. And these 5 true or false are given here. So these match the columns, and true or false they have given at the last of this chapter. So children, with this our exercise part is completed, but along with this I have given one table which is not given in new book. Okay, in the month of April when I taught this chapter, our old students must be written this, and I'll explain you that table again, because many of the questions can be framed from that table. Okay, so that table is necessary to make in your science notebook. If you have not drawn, draw it. Okay, so I'll send you pics of this exercise and table also. So next video I'll revise that table.